wanted to cover in this short video was how to fix a problem you may have faced with text numbers. So these are numbers, sometimes they can be brought in from other systems and they come in as text. Now there's two types. There's one that has the apostrophe at the front, so we can see that one here. There's also another type that doesn't have the apostrophe, and it's usually caused because the column has been formatted as text, which is always a dangerous thing to do when you're working with numbers. But it's useful for things like if you're going to save a column for mobile phone numbers with a leading 0, but for any type of real number, I wouldn't use the text format. Try and avoid that. So there's two solutions. One works if you've got all text numbers. The other one can be worked on ranges that have a mixture. It's mainly the first one that is the issue here. So sometimes you've got a mixture and sometimes you've got all the numbers. So let's see how we can do all the numbers. It's actually built in. So let's see how we do this. So let's start the clock. Okay, so select the range you want to work with. If all the numbers are problematic, you'll get this little icon. So you can click the drop down and you can actually say convert to number. And that does it for you. Really easy. Okay, another way to do it. Just type 1 into another cell, copy that. Then select the range. This is the mixture solution. Right click, paste special. You want values and you want multiply, and click OK. There we go. And that, I'll just stop that there. So we still got 22 seconds because I want to show you something else. And that will work with basically all types. So if you've got a mixture, then you can use that 1 and then paste values. If they're all that way, I'll just start the clock again and I'll just show you that other one. So this one here, again, click the little icon and just say convert to number. Okay, so we've got 15 seconds left. So I wanted to show you another type of text issue that you might face, and it relates to formulas. So these are all formulas, but again, this column has been formatted as text. Now, even if you revert the column up here to say like a number or general, it doesn't fix the issue. To fix the issue, we can do something else. So let's start the clock. Select the range again, Control H, and what we're going to do is we're going to find 0 and replace, sorry, find with equals and replace with equals and replace all. And we've done it, and stop. Oh, look at that, right on 1. And that fixes it there. So replace all. So find the equal sign, replace with the equal sign, use replace all, and that sorts it out. I hope you found those techniques useful. So for numbers, that works for dates too. If you've got some dates that may be formatted as text, you can also use that because Excel can convert the date as well. Okay, thanks for watching.